district administration officials secretly transported the electronic voting machines into a counting center. They've tweeted a video claiming that their party workers and supporters staged a protest in front of the Vajragriha counting center at the Sasaram Assembly. And the RJD has now sought a clarification from the Bihar Chief Electoral Officer and the Election Commission of India. It has now demanded that complete CCTV footage of the counting center be released soon. BJP has now hit back at the RJD, saying that the entire opposition has gone in a state of panic, where the BJP claims that when the security personnel opened the boxes to actually show it to them, all of the boxes turned out to be empty. Let's connect with Akansha on this. Akansha, well, this has been to the extent that the pressure that RJD and the opposition wants to build on the poll body. The bahanas, maybe they are running out of excuses, but the Election Commission and the poll body is ready with answers.
Absolutely. A big charge has come from the RJD. In fact, let me take you through the charge and the counter charge that is coming from the DM of that district. RJD, in a social media post, has mentioned why was a truck loaded with EVMs sneaked into the counting center in Sasaram by the district administration without any prior notice or transparency. Why were the truck drivers chased away without bringing them forward? Why was the CCTV camera feed here switched off from 2 p.m.? Release the full footage. Let the administration tell what has happened. And they have sought Election Commission of India's clarification should come immediately. Otherwise, thousands of people will immediately reach the polling center to stop the vote theft. Now, clarification has come in from the district administration, and it has stated that the truck that had come in this polling center, counting center, did not have the EVM. It in fact had empty steel boxes. BJP, on the other hand, has said that this is a bahana by the RJD because they know that they are going to lose in the elections tomorrow. Amita.
All right. Well, that has been the clarification. The questions that have been raised on part of the RJD, and where in comes to the poll body, the officials there showing those empty boxes there. And this seems to be, as far as all of the questions that were raised on part of the RJD of some conspiracy, seems to have now been put to rest. We'll get you more back after a short break.